Yes! I don't freaking care, I recorded it. Dude, you like my dog?
Yeah. Nice. That's awesome.
It was at one of those balloon stations, and the guy said, "Can you make just say popping on?" Like he popped one. And then my other two, I popped one. He's like, "What do you say?" And I'm like, "Pop!" I'm scared. Dude, we have to get them all set up for this.
Yeah.
There's no way they. They're not done! No! Brady, why'd you do that?
I don't know.
God, dude, that hurt my ears!
Yeah, that was awesome though.
Yeah.
Okay,
Man,
now they're done.